All right, fidgets are things that we do with our hands with the disc. They're not quite throws. They're just kind of silly little things that we do in order to feel comfortable with our discs and also to get familiar with our discs. If we're able to do silly things like this, we should have a little more confidence when addressing simple throws.
Yep.
We're going to base all of our fidgets out of catch high and catch low, just like we do in human freestyle as basis for learning or flowing catch. So if I catch it high, I can do this. If I catch it low, I can do something like that or that. If we catch it low, one of the cool things that we can do is a nice little roll over our knuckles. All right, this little knuckle roll here, super easy. All we're going to do is pop the disc up right to here, let it roll over across our knuckles. It'll fall, then we make the catch. The key here is to let it fall before you try to make the catch. If you try to make the catch early, you're going to push it away. You want it to roll over and fall. As soon as it falls, then tilt your hand down and make the catch. Super easy. We can also switch this around and give a nice logo shot of our disc in our fidget by catching high and letting that roll. There I was trying to catch it before it fell, letting it roll right over top of our knuckles. This one's a little more difficult. It requires a little bit more touch. We're not used to throwing discs from that catch high position in that direction. So just be patient with it. You'll get it. So catch high, turn it upside down, little twitch, move your fingers, and let it roll right over your thumb. There are 3 keys to this. First, make sure that the twitch doesn't go more than 90 degrees. Second, make sure that you clear your fingers. And third, make sure that that disc doesn't leave your thumb. Oh, and of course, don't forget you're not trying to catch it. Will rotate into your hand. You clear your fingers, the disc rolls over, and we grab. We want to make sure that we resist the temptation to try and catch it. If you try and catch it, you're surely not going to. It's going to fall right back into that hand. All of these fidgets are going to require patience on the catch. Let's watch this one more time. And one thing I'd like to leave you with is that this is a very soft and gentle skill. It's not a very powerful flick at all. Be easy. Another one from catch high is here. We go from the inside out and it rolls across our knuckles. Watch out. This is called the pavl because a guy named Pawel in the Czech Republic kind of invented it during a seminar. It's very similar to the flip, except it rolls over the knuckles. What you're going to do is clear your thumb instead of your fingers. Also, remember not to try to catch it. It's going to rotate into your hand again. All right, that right there is an interesting little fidget. What's going to happen is we're going to kind of pop it from outside to in, lift that up, and let it roll over top of our knuckles. Just like that. It's going to go up, rotate, I'll wait, and I'll catch as it falls back into my hand. This is just the pavl going backwards. Instead of going from the inside out, we're going to go outside in. Make sure that your grip is in the center of the disc, and you're going to pull towards the center of your body, clearing your thumb, allowing it to roll over your knuckles. Don't forget, you don't grab.